Okay, I'm back to make another quick video on the Procolored K13 Lite Printer. I know I just seem to be banging on about this printer and not doing much with it. I mean, I have made a few t-shirts. It's brand new to me. I bought it 2 months ago and I probably spent more time cleaning it than I did using it. Right now I've got it in vacation mode. I've got all the ink lines cleaned out from the print head to the waste ink container, and I've got cleaning solution recirculating just to keep the print heads moisturised. So there's absolutely no ink in this thing whatsoever. I've even emptied out the ink tanks, as you can see there, they're nice and clean. And then this white ink container here, I just did a slight modification on that. I don't know if you can see it, I'll try and pull it out. I put a plug on there so I can disconnect it quite easy and remove it for cleaning in the future. It's a little bit stiff because I've just done it. So yeah, that's just I just used an audio plug. It seems to be working pretty good. So anyway, so that's what I've been up to for the past couple of days. My view on this printer, I don't know. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you've got one, great. I mean, I'm sure I'll come to love it one day. But right now, I mean, it's just a lot of work. You can't leave the thing sitting. I know online, you know, everyone tells you, make sure you shake that white ink tank up. And I mentioned it before in the video. But I didn't realise when I shake this thing up every day, there's a recirculation system on this white ink as well. So that's doing a job. In addition to me shaking it, I thought that'd be enough. But when I removed the ink tank, it obviously wasn't, because at the bottom of that tank, underneath the paddle that rotates to keep it mixed, there must have been about 1 centimetre at least of dried ink, and it was really loose. I mean, it was settled, but it, you know, slightest movement, that thing could have ended up in the print head. So yeah, shaking it, I mean, I'm lucky I didn't dislodge any of that. It probably would have been game over for the print head. So like I said, I cleaned everything out the other day. I'm not going to fire it up unless I've got a sizable order of t-shirts. I've been pricing DTF up online. I mean, you can probably buy the film cheaper from a provider. I mean, it's handy to have a printer, don't get me wrong, but I just don't think it's worth the headache. I don't know, I could be wrong. If anyone else has got one, and you know, just drop me a message and then I'll follow you back. Right now, I mean, I've just spent more time cleaning this thing than I've using it, and I've not really had time to enjoy it or follow anybody and see what they're doing with theirs. So yeah, if you do buy one, make sure that you keep on top of cleaning it. You know, watch YouTube videos on how to clean these things. You cannot leave them sitting. You know, they're a cheap enough printer, but they're an expensive mistake if you don't keep on top of it. So that being said, I mean, that's my view on this printer. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not bashing it. It's been a real good printer. It does really good quality prints. It's super easy to use. The support for it has been great. Just watch when you're buying one. Make sure you see it in action. Just because you saw the person said it was running the day before, don't take that as you know, gospel. Make sure you want to see it running before you hand over your cash. So yeah, that being said, I'm going to cut it short here, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.